talk about our linear function, so the equation of lines. We know that all straight lines can be written in the form y equals mx plus b. M, of course, is the slope. B turns out to be the y-intercept. Of course, there is another way we write it, where we pull everything to one side and make it equal to 0. Now, that's what we call general form. Sometimes you see it called standard form. Basically, we tend to write it so that A, B, and C are integers or surds. It's not like you can create, well, if the coefficient was, say, the square root of 2, well, you couldn't turn that into an integer, so you'd leave it as the square root of 2. So we get this sort of question. Find the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 5x minus 2, passing through 0, 6, and they want it in general form. Well, if it's perpendicular, what do we know? We know the slopes multiply together to give -1, and therefore the slope we want is -1/5. Nicely, they've given us the y-intercept. Alright, so we get y equals -1/5 x plus 6. There it is. Oh, hang on, they said general form. Multiply everything by 5, pull everything to the one side, x plus 5y minus 30 equals 0. We tend to make the x positive. I suppose it doesn't have to be, but I guess it just looks neater. The coefficient of x is a positive number. Then we have these special lines, the ones that are parallel to the axis. And if it's parallel to the x-axis, it'll be y equals a constant number. So here's one, it goes through the point 3, 2, must be y equals 2. Every point on there would have a y coordinate of 2. And parallel to the y-axis would be x equals a constant number. So going through the same point, x equals 3. So they're two special ones. Well, that was super quick.